Every time you drive down an interstate, take a moment to see how many signs you pass. Signs for different interstates, cities, points of interest, speed limits, changes in the road, they are everywhere. But did you know that every state has different specifications for their interstate and road signage? This can be a factor as small as parts of an inch to much more obvious specs, like different fonts. How do we make sure that every state sign that leaves our warehouse is made perfectly for each state? Well, that's thanks to our incredible team. We are Interstate Signways, the leading producer for wayfinding and directional signage for over half a century. Please like this video and see the link in the description if you'd like to learn more or get a free estimate for your next project. With us, you don't have to worry that anything will be missed. This is Rich. He is our printing pre-flight expert. Our engineers send designs to be approved by the individual state departments of transportation. Once the state has seen and cleared the design, Rich receives the file to clean everything up for printing. He's the third pair of eyes on every sign, and it's his years of expertise that make him so good at spotting any mistakes. Once the image is polished and perfect, he sends it to the printer. He prints these himself so that he can look over the print as it comes out of the machine. It is always a joy to feature talented and experienced members of our Signways family. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below for anything you'd like to see next. Click the link in the description to request an estimate for your next Interstate Signways job. We look forward to hearing from you.